Right, the first thing we need to do is make sure the lever is fully over out the way. Then we'll go to the cable connection bit. We unscrew it slightly so the black bit moves. What we need to do is listen for a click on the stop. So as soon as you hear the click, retighten the cable, then check your throttle, unclicked, clicks again, full revs, and check that you get full choke on this part here. Once we get that, we should be able to start it. Right, so to adjust, undo the screw, push it till you hear the click, retighten the screw, then if you check the handle, unclicked, click, full revs, full choke. Back onto full choke, so that's all set up correctly. Right, to start the machine, put it onto full revs, pull it onto choke and hold. Fully back. So put onto full choke.
Hope you found that video informative. Please subscribe to our channel or share with any friends or colleagues, and we will send future videos out via our channel, and we hope you enjoy them. Thank you.